Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Trendy Fashion. I hope you all are doing good. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel. And if you are new to my channel then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way you can get all new notification of my latest videos that I share to my channel. So guys, I know you're waiting of my latest video. Your wait is over. I'm here again with one of your and other favorite topic. So, without wasting the time, we start the video. So, ladies and gents who love the short haircut ideas, this video is for you guys. Today, I am presenting beautiful texture undercut haircut ideas. These all haircut ideas amazing. You can see how beautifully girls are carrying these hairstyles. These hairstyles are really amazing and outstanding that will inspire you to get them as early as possible as you watch them. These all texture undercut haircut ideas are according to the fashion and trend. These hairstyle will enhance the beauty of your personality when you get them. So, ladies, don't waste your time. Just take a screenshot of your favorite one and go to your hairstylist and let me know also which haircut you select for yourself among them through comment section. And you also share your ideas that what kind of video you want to watch next. It will be my pleasure to make video on your ideas according to your choice because your choice is my first priority. And if you like the video, then you can share this video to your friends, family members, and social contacts. In this way, they will get updated with fashion and trend because I make video on fashion and trend always. So, guys, keep watching, keep sharing, and keep supporting the channel and keep supporting me as well because your support is really honor to me and keep me energetic to make video for you guys according to your choice next. While these all hairstyles are really classy and ready to go, after getting this hairstyle, you will be ready to go anywhere like kitty parties, get together functions, and weddings, fashion show, parties, events, anywhere. You don't need to style them for a long time. These all hairstyles are really amazing, fashionable, and beautiful too. No doubt, beautiful girls and beautiful people are getting these beautiful hairstyles. Well, it's up to you which haircut you select for yourself. I am presenting all kind of haircuts that are texture, haircut, and undercut ideas. It's up to you which haircut you select for yourself according to the texture, undercut, haircut ideas. So, guys, I will be there in next video. Till then, take care yourself and have a great hair day.